The grammar of simile is meaning that in other words, in summary, in short. In Japanese, when you use the grammar of simile, that means you should begin by some clause. After that, followed by simile, and the end followed by alternative explanation. And it had the meaning that in other words, or in summary, or in short. That means you have something very long and it's not easy to understand, and you should explain in a short way. In a case like this, in Japanese, they use the grammar of simile to help explain in a short way. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of simile, let's go to see some example together. In here, our example, they say, 彼は獣医、つまり動物の医者です。彼は獣医、つまり動物の医者です。Which means that he is a veterinarian. In other words, he's an animal doctor. He's a veterinarian. In other words, he's an animal doctor. Or you can say, he is a veterinarian. In the short way to say, in short or summary, he's an animal doctor. So what is about the grammar in this sentence? Let's go to see together. In here we have 彼は獣医 is the clause. And after that we also have 動物の医者です。動物の医者です mean alternative explanation. That means if you just say 彼は獣医, that means somebody don't understand what do you mean or what is the 獣医 mean. So to explain more to understand about 獣医, you can use つまり. And after つまり, you should put the another way to explain the 獣医 meaning. I see here. After つまり they say 動物の医者です. That means you understand. They say the easy word to understand. And it had a meaning that he is a veterinarian. In other words, he is an animal doctor. The next, we have the example like this. つまり、うちの学校の生徒だということ。つまり、うちの学校の生徒だということ。Which means that you mean you are a student at my school? You mean you are a student at my school? What is about the grammar in this? In this, we have うちの学校の生徒だということ is mean is an alternative explanation. As you see here, we don't have the clause because they cut out from the some conversation, right, in the sentence. So when you are to explain more to understand, you just use つまり. And after the つまり, you should explain in another way, which is not the same way. And to make more understand for the person you are talking with. So in this sentence, it had a meaning that you means you are a student at my school. The next, we are going to learn about this example. ビールさんは携帯もパソコンも持っていません。つまり、メールで連絡はできません。ビールさんは携帯もパソコンも持っていません。 つまり、メールで連絡はできません。which means that Bill does not have a cell phone or computer. In other words, we cannot contact him by email. Bill does not have a cell phone or computer. In other words, we cannot contact him by email. So, as you see here, the first, they explain something about like 携帯もパソコンも持てません。Or after that, they use the simile to explain in another way. That is not the same way. To make more understand, they say, つまりメールで連絡はできません。Something like this. If you don't have cell phone or you don't have a computer, so in the case like you cannot contact by, you cannot send email, or another cannot send email to you. The next example is say, 彼は今日から1週間後、つまり12月10日に帰ってくる。彼は今日から1週間後、つまり12月10日に帰ってくる。Which means that he will be back on a week from today. That is on December 10. He will be back a week from today. It is on December 10. If you just say, 彼は今日から1週間後, that means he will be back a week from today. You just say like this, maybe another body don't understand. So you can say the date to tell what date. If you say the date, they will understand when. So in this example, after the simile, they say about the date. As you see here, 12月10日に帰ってくる